Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 21st, 2025, Part 1. Today's theme is Earth Day. The Earth Book by Todd Parr. I take care of the earth because I know I can do little things every day to make a big difference. I use both sides of the paper and bring my own bags to the market because I love the trees, and I want the owls to have a place to live. I turn off the faucet while I brush my teeth and use less water for my baths because I love the fish, and I want the oceans to stay blue. I take the school bus and ride my bike because I love the stars and I want the air to be clear so I can see them sparkle. I try to eat every bite on my plate and save my leftovers because I love watching things grow and I want there to be enough food for everyone. I remembered to turn off the lights and shut the refrigerator to save energy because I love the polar bears and I want the snowmen to stay cool. I throw garbage in the trash can and recycle glass, aluminum, paper, and plastic because I love to walk barefoot in the grass and I don't want to move to Mars. Most of all, I help take care of the earth because I want us all to be happy and healthy. Every one of us can help protect the earth and make it feel good. Remember, if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Love, Todd. The end. We're going to make a dot painted earth. Your craft to go kit is the earth and a heart. We're going to add a heart to it. So the earth goes like this. Here's the United States, and I believe that's South America, Africa, Europe over here. And then we're going to glue this heart right into the center. So what you'll need for this is some paint. I have blue and green paint. Blue is for the water and green is for the land. I have a glue stick to glue the heart on. And then your craft to go kit also includes a Q-tip. So you can use one side for the green and one side for the blue. Unless you prefer to use your fingers. You can also use your fingers to make the dots. But all we're going to do is dip it in the paint and make dots to cover up the land and dots to cover up the water. And when it's done, we're gonna glue on the heart because we love our earth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and I'll finish up and then I'll come back before I glue the heart on. Okay, so I finished painting all of my dots and this is what it looks like. Okay, you can see North America, South America, Africa. There's part of Europe and probably over here is probably part of Asia. It's not the most accurate map that you'll have out there, but it works for our purposes. Then what we want to do is we want to glue the little heart on. So I'm going to put glue on the back of the heart. And then I'm going to center it in the Atlantic Ocean, which is this big blue space here. There we go. And just press down a bit. And that's all there is to it. So So there's our earth that we love.